Did you know that a thoughtfully designed home office can actually make you more productive than working in a traditional office setting? It might sound surprising, but research shows that when you have control over your workspace, you can tailor it to your unique needs and preferences, which can lead to a significant boost in both focus and efficiency. It's true. Free from the usual distractions and interruptions of a busy office, your home office can become a haven of focus and creativity. When you're in your own space, you can set boundaries, minimize noise, and create an environment that truly supports your best work. But achieving this productivity nirvana really requires attention to detail. It's not just about having a desk and a chair, it's about creating a space that is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The little things like how you organize your desk accessories or the way you arrange your decor can have a big impact on your mindset and motivation. In this essay, we'll unlock the secrets to designing a home office that works as hard as you do. We'll look at how you can make intentional choices that turn your workspace into a true productivity powerhouse, no matter how much space you have to work with. We'll explore the importance of natural light, how sunlight can boost your mood, increase your energy, and even help you stay more alert throughout the day. Positioning your desk near a window or using light-enhancing decor can make a world of difference. We'll also talk about the ergonomics of desk height and chair support. The right setup can prevent aches and pains, reduce fatigue, and help you maintain good posture so you can work comfortably for hours on end. And let's not forget the calming influence of plants. Adding greenery to your workspace doesn't just look good, it can actually reduce stress, purify the air, and make your office feel more inviting and alive. We'll delve into the psychology of color too. The colors you choose for your office walls and decor can have a powerful effect on your mood and productivity. Whether you prefer calming blues, energizing yellows, or creative greens, the right palette can set the tone for your entire workday. And of course, we'll discuss the power of organization. A clutter-free workspace helps clear your mind, making it easier to focus on the tasks at hand. Smart storage solutions, shelves, and organizers can help you keep everything in its place so you can spend less time searching for things and more time getting things done. By the end, you'll be empowered to transform your home office into a productivity powerhouse. You'll have the tools and inspiration you need to create a space that not only supports your work but also reflects your personality and style. Getting started is often the hardest part. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the choices or to put off making changes because you're not sure where to begin. But remember, even small improvements can have a big impact. So let's begin with a simple truth. Your workspace should inspire you. Surround yourself with things that motivate you, whether it's a favorite quote, a piece of art, or a photo that makes you smile. It should be a place where you feel energized and motivated, not drained and deflated. When you walk into your home office, you should feel a sense of possibility and excitement about the work ahead. By making a few key design choices, you can transform your home office from a source of stress into a sanctuary of productivity. So, let's dive in and discover how you can create a workspace that truly works for you, one that helps you do your best work every single day. Natural light is your secret weapon when it comes to designing a productive workspace. It's not just about making your office look good. Sunlight has a profound impact on your energy, focus, and overall well-being. When you let the sun pour in, you're inviting positivity and productivity into your day. Studies show that people who work in naturally lit environments are more alert, less likely to feel fatigue, and even experience fewer headaches. Sunlight not only reduces eye strain, but also boosts mood and improves sleep quality. Exposure to natural light helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to stay awake during the day and sleep soundly at night. Plus, a sunlit workspace just feels more inviting, encouraging you to spend more time at your desk and get things done. When planning your home office layout, prioritize positioning your desk near a window. Embrace the view. Not only will you benefit from the daylight, but having a glimpse of the outdoors can provide a mental break and spark creativity. If possible, arrange your workspace so you can look outside without turning away from your work, blending inspiration and productivity. But what about those times when natural light is strong? That's where tasks like as the sun right lighting can help you maintain focus and prevent your eyes from straining, even after hours of work. A well-placed desk lamp can make all the difference. Choose a lamp that complements your style and provides enough illumination for reading, writing, or working on your computer. The right lamp can transform a dark corner into a productive hub. Choose a lamp with an adjustable arm and head, allowing you to direct light precisely where you need it. This flexibility is especially useful for tasks that require extra attention, like sketching, reading, or getting done. Adjustable lighting helps you avoid shadows and keeps your workspace comfortable throughout the day. Remember, the key to effective lighting is balance. Combining that with an artificial light creates a harmonious environment. Layer your lighting and use overhead lights, desk lamp, and avoid harsh contrast between light and shadow. If sunlight is too intense, this prevents glare and soft, diffused lighting. Consider thoughtfully layering adjustable lighting, focus and creativity every single day. Ergonomics might sound like a technical term, but at its core, it's about creating a workspace that truly supports your body and your health. Think of it as tailoring your environment so that every part of your workday feels more comfortable and natural. When your workspace is set up correctly, you can focus better, feel less fatigued, and even boost your productivity. It's not just about fancy chairs or gadgets, it's about making sure your body is cared for while you work. And it all starts with your desk. The height of your desk is one of the most important factors in creating a healthy workspace. If your desk is too high or too low, it can throw your entire posture out of alignment. Over time, this can lead to discomfort, persistent back pain, and even repetitive strain injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome. Many people don't realize how much their desk height affects their overall well-being until they start experiencing these issues. The ideal desk height is one that allows you to sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor, your knees at about a 90-degree angle, and your elbows also bent at 90 degrees as you type. Your wrists should remain straight, not bent up or down to avoid unnecessary strain. This position helps distribute your body weight evenly and keeps your muscles relaxed, reducing the risk of aches and pains after a long day. If your desk is too high, you'll likely find yourself hunching over your keyboard or raising your shoulders, which can cause tension in your neck and upper back. Over time, this posture can lead to chronic pain and even headaches, making it harder to concentrate and enjoy your work. On the other hand, if your desk is too low, you'll be forced to reach up to type or use your mouse, which puts extra strain on your neck, shoulders, and arms. This can lead to stiffness, soreness, and even numbness in your hands or fingers if left unaddressed. That's why investing in an adjustable desk can be a real game changer. With an adjustable desk, you can easily switch between sitting and standing throughout the day, giving your body a break from staying in one position for too long. This flexibility not only promotes better posture and reduces the risk of pain, but it can also increase your energy levels and help you stay more focused and alert as you work. Taking the time to set your desk at the right height is a simple step that can make a huge difference in your comfort and productivity every single day. Who doesn't love a touch of greenery? But did you know that plants do more than just brighten up a room? Studies have shown that incorporating plants into your workspace can actually improve air quality and reduce stress levels. Plants act as natural air purifiers, filtering out harmful toxins and releasing oxygen. This is especially important in home offices, which often lack the air circulation of larger office buildings. Beyond air purification, plants have been shown to have a calming effect, reducing stress and boosting mood. Looking at images of nature has even been linked to increased levels of attention and focus. So why not invite a little nature indoors? You know, our physical environment really does have a profound impact on our mental state. A cluttered workspace, well, it can lead to a cluttered mind, making it tough to focus and be productive. In fact, a study from Princeton University back in 2020 found that a cluttered environment actually competes for your attention, which makes it harder to process information and organizers can really help keep everything in its place. Just remember, a clean desk is a clear mind. Color is a powerful tool that can influence our mood, behavior, and even our productivity. When choosing a color scheme for your home office, it's important to consider the psychological impact of different hues. Calming colors like blue and green are known for their soothing and relaxing effects. Blue evokes feelings of tranquility and peace, making it an ideal choice for promoting concentration and focus. Green, associated with nature and growth, can inspire creativity and reduce mental fatigue. On the other hand, bright, stimulating colors like red and orange are best used sparingly in a workspace. While they can be energizing in small doses, too much can be overwhelming and distracting. We've already talked about the importance of a clean and organized workspace. But what about those everyday items that tend to accumulate on our desks? That's where the 5 visible items rule comes in. This simple rule challenges you to limit the number of items visible on your desk to just 5. This might seem extreme, but it forces you to be mindful of what you truly need within arm's reach. Everything else should be stored away, either in drawers or on shelves. By minimizing visual clutter, you create a sense of calm and order, allowing your mind to focus on the task at hand. Designing a productive home office is like conducting a symphony. Each element, from lighting to ergonomics to color, plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious and inspiring workspace. By incorporating the tips and ideas we've explored in this essay, you can transform your home office from a source of stress into a sanctuary of productivity. Remember to prioritize natural light, invest in ergonomic furniture, and embrace the power of plants. Choose colors that calm and inspire, and keep your workspace clutter-free. Creating a productive and inspiring home office is an investment in yourself and your work. By paying attention to the details and making mindful design choices, you can unlock your full potential and achieve new levels of success. Now go forth and create your own home office oasis.